Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Microsoft Outlook in your mobile, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Edge browser. After you open up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Outlook right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Sign In. Then go ahead and click on Continue to Sign In. Then enter your email address or your phone number right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here and enter my Microsoft Outlook mail address. After you enter your Outlook mail account, click on Next. Then here you will need to enter your verification mail. I've entered the verification mail. Go ahead and click on Send Code. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and check the mail. So here we go. We have a verification code right here. So verification code here is 8762 06. Then next thing you want to do is click on No right here. Now you are here, live in your Outlook mailbox. It's that simple. So this is how to sign in to your Microsoft Outlook in mobile, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.